So guys, on our previous video, I told you I'll be showing you I was able to cash up to 600 pips on oil. Approximately, this trade gave me around 1 to 20 risk reward because I was able to cash 2 setup on US oil. This is a swing trading setup, but I went to my lower time frame to also look for the trading setup. So they both setup gave me approximately 1 to 20 risk to reward. You get the concept. So before we get into the main breakdown and everything you really need to know about the video, you can see the before screenshot on your screen. You can see it on your screen here as a B-roll. So it won't be as if I'm hindsighting trading or something I never analyzed or took from the first place. You can see it for yourself. And when we get to breaking down the trading setup, I'll also show you the before screenshot and the reason why I took that trade. So stick with me to the end of this video because you'll be able to learn so many valuable stuff here and the reason why I'm taking my trade, and also learn how I'm able to cash these crazy risk to reward. You get risking a small amount of people to cash this huge pips or huge risk to reward. So without taking much of your time, let's get into the main video of today. If you are new to this channel, hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome to Gilbert Forex. So this is a channel upload Forex educational content. Make sure you like this video. We are fully back for 2025. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel where I'll be dropping free signal for you guys to trade out your small account. And believe me, with my setup, you'll be able to trade out your small account to fortune because our entry is top notch, our risk to reward top notch, and the return we are getting in a particular position is just everything is completely insane. You get, so just stick with me here. The only thing I need from you, I just need your support by subscribing to this channel and also join the green committee, join the Telegram channel, guys. You get so many amazing stuff be coming up. You get, so that's it, and let's get into the main video of today. So you can see my entry here. I basically took this trade on my 1 hour time frame. You get, and even on my lower time frame too, we also had a fractal confirmation, but I executed this trade on my 1 hour time frame using a risk entry base. This particular one is a high probability setup, and that was the main reason why I took this trade even without me waiting for my fractal confirmation. But the trade I took on the lower time frame, you get the same oil trade I took on the lower time frame, I took that particular one based on the fractal confirmation. So let's get into the main video of today. When we get there, you understand variance. You can see oil is still flying, and if I should draw this thing to this particular point, you can see, get, so this is all, it is almost 1 to 23 risk reward, but I've closed my trade already, so I don't think I have any need to do with what is going on there. You get, so this is it, and I just have to clean everything here. You get, I just have to clean everything so we can break down this particular setup together. But before then, come here and click on where it says, you get, click on where it says remove drawings. So first of all, what I do is that I just go to my 4 hour time frame to check the overall trend. You get, and on my 4 hour, I love seeing a small consolidation like this. Whenever I see a small consolidation like this, I just know that my setup will always be there. You get, my setup will always be there. So from here, you can see that this market has been going up. You get, before this market gets to where I took that trade, this market was just going up, breaking up so many structures here. You can see break out of this market structure, broke out of this one, and so on and so forth, broke out of this one also. So I already have this this in mind that okay, US oil is in a very strong uptrend. So what I did was that I went to my 1 hour time frame. You get, so on my 1 hour time frame here, I was able to see multiple break of structures here. You get, you can see this one here. But first of all, we love seeing our sweep zone. You get, so even most of my students took this particular setup. You get, so here we had this sweep zone here, but I just worked with this. You get, but most of my students, they already know that this is a very valid sweep zone. You get, so here we have this sweep zone, liquidity sitting at this swing low, and price took out this liquidity right here, and then we had this break of structure to the upside and second break of structure. So I just work with this to know that at least the market broke structure to up to this particular point, sweeping this liquidity here. So I just have to denote this like so. We get, and also we had our first break of structure. You get, so we had our first break of structure here, which is break of structure number 1. You get, and also we had our second break of structure here. You get, so we had this break of structure. You can draw it from here, but I just like to work with this. You get, so we had this second break of structure like so. You get, and I'll go with this, I'll go with this. And also we had this last break of structure. You get, the amazing thing is that I and one of my students was basically talking about this kind of setup. You get, it was basically talking about this kind of setup where the market gave us multiple break of structure, maybe 2 and above, which zone is the right zone to pick and all. And if you look here now, we have this zone here. we have this zone here to pick. And sorry, let me move this. If you look here now, we have this demand zone somewhere around here. Why am I picking the wrong tool or something? Okay, we have this demand zone here. We have this demand zone here. We also have this demand zone here. And believe me, if you were taking your trade on this particular demand zone, 9 out of 10 times price will always stop you out. So I'll just have to share this with all of you guys. Whenever you see something like this, you just have to focus on the extreme zone. On the extreme zone, and here is the extreme zone. So we have this demand zone here as the extreme zone, like so. Just focus on the extreme zone, and this one here will serve as inducement or structural liquidity. You get me? So this will serve as inducement or structural liquidity. And so right here again, we just finished doing analysis. So when I was analyzing this trade, price was, I think, trying to tap into this zone. Price was trying to tap into this zone, and I sent this particular setup to so many of my students also. Tap into our point of interest, and then we had that massive push to the upside. Initially, my take profit was here. My take profit was here, that high. And I took this trade right here, like so, somewhere around there, and my stop loss was just basically under my zone, like so. And then my take profit was, I think, somewhere around here. But based on how the market broke out of this zone, I think we was able to capitalize on this trade to somewhere around here or something. Giving us 1:15 risk to reward. You get the concept. So this is it, and this is the main reason why I took this swing trade. I think this trade took about 2 days for it to smash and take profit or something. It's not the trading setup that happened that particular day. So this is the main reason why I took this particular trade on US oil, this swing trading setup on US oil. And now let me show you the main reason why I was able to capitalize on the trading setup too on US oil. Now this is the before screenshot of the trading setup. And I caught this setup when price was reacting from my zone going to the upside. Meanwhile, the swing trading setup was still running. I just decided to go look for opportunity to scale in more. You get the concept. So that's it. So you can see the before screenshot on your screen, and I was able to take this trade on the 5-minute time frame, which I'll just have to remove my drawings here. Just have to remove all these drawings and really quick go to my 5 minutes time frame. To show you how I was able to bank on this setup. Now you need to understand that this market is fractal. So whatever I'm looking for on my higher time frame, that's the same thing I'm looking for on my lower time frame. You get the concept. That's the same thing I'm looking for. Okay, right here, this was where I took this particular trade, and I told you guys I just want to see a small consolidation like this. Once I say small consolidation, that's it. We have this consolidation, we have accumulation, distribution, blah blah blah. You get all this kind of stuff. So here we have that consolidation like so, which made me to draw this zone here as my sweep zone. I already know that the trend is in a very big uptrend, so I'm only looking for what buys opportunity. So we have that sweep zone like so, and also we have this market breaking structure to the upside, which is a very good signal that the trend is going to continue to the upside. As simple as this, guys. And my entry was just here. My entry was just somewhere around here. You get the concept. So this was basically where I executed my trade. Can see it for yourself. This was basically where I executed my trade, and I was able to bank another crazy risk to reward here. Me just putting my SL above my zone like so. My SL below my zone like so. I think I can't really remember, but somewhere around here. And I was able to bank a very crazy risk to reward on this particular trade here again. So I was able to cash, I think 1:6 or 1:7 risk to reward on this particular trade. And what happened? This market was able to smash my take profit in less than no time, guys. So on the swing trading setup, I was able to cash, I think 1:15 risk to reward, and on the trading setup, I was able to cash 1:6, 1:7 risk to reward. So approximately both setup gave me like 1:20 something risk to reward. You get the concept. So that's it, and this is the main reason why I took this trade. And this is what I do. Whatever I look on the higher time frame, I still come to my lower time frame to check out the same thing and take my same trades. This market is fractal, guys. Like I told you previously, make sure you join our Telegram channel, guys, because I'll be giving out free and valuable stuff on that Telegram channel, and also free signal for you to capitalize on. So peace, and don't forget, check the comment down below to subscribe to our Qbet Forex Academy channel. I'll be also uploading, you get videos on how to trade like me, you get teaching you guys for totally free on how to trade like me. You get the concept. So this particular channel is just to break down my trade, you get trade recap and everything, while the other one will be for educational content. So thank you for making it up to this particular video. If you find value in this video, make sure you like this video, and don't forget to give me that subscribe, to hit that subscribe button for me. Peace, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.